Hi you guys, so today I'm coming at you with another headband tutorial. I'm just showing you guys how thick and gelled down my hair is right now. This hair is from Coshgirl. This is a 16-inch body wave headband wig. Came with one headband, the wig cap, and of course the wig. And I'm going to show you how it looks straight out of the package. It is gorgeous. I love me some body wave hair. Body wave is my favorite hair to wear, and just look at it. I love hair fresh out the package, but most hair companies, like when you first open a package, it does have a little bit of a smell to the hair. I didn't really smell a lot with this. The combs were kind of angled crazy at the front too though, but we still got into it. And honey, look at me trying to put on this wig cap. My hair is super thick. Like, I had a big old lump in the back because I just refused to, cornrow my hair down. I'm getting so tired of cornrowing my hair down. But I'm not, one of them girls that could just slick my hair into a little ponytail. You feel me, in the back? Because my hair is thick, okay? Thick. I could at least did two larger cornrows, but I was being lazy and didn't feel like it. So for my edge control, I'm using Edge Fixer. It smells so good. And my little edge brush has a little comb on the other side and a metal tooth, end, and I love that. So the key to laying your edges is to brush it into place after you put the edge control on, and then you go along with your finger and smooth it after you lay your edges. You'll see me doing it right here. See how you can just smooth it with your hand after you lay it with the brush, okay? And that has really helped me lay my baby hair so much easier. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I am in love. My hair doesn't even look bulky underneath like it is. And oh yeah, I forgot. I want to show y'all this cute Amazon set I got. Like, look at it. Period. And I was gonna wait till, I lost my little stomach or whatever, but it still fits. It's still, comfortable, stretchy. You could, put it over your stomach or whatever. But anyways, shoot, it looks good just to wear around the house. I just had to show y'all. I'm gonna put the link down below. It's very stretchy, very soft, suede like material. Is very stretchy, okay? Very comfortable and very cute. For some Amazon sets, come on now. But all right, you guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.